Dog Training in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today I have with me our newest 15-day board and train. This is Sunny. Sunny, say hi. Hello. Sunny is about a 6-month-old Labradoodle. Mom brought her and Sunny's sister in today just so they can have the same training. They definitely need some basic obedience and they definitely need some socialization. She struggles with things like barking at dogs when she sees them. She's a pretty big leash puller. Mom said she's a pretty big jumper and she doesn't really listen at all, which is all right. We're just gonna go ahead and jump in and see what Sunny does and doesn't know. Hey Sunny, can you come? Sunny, Sunny, hi. Sunny, can you sit? Can you sit? Sunny, hey, hello, can you sit? No? Can you down? Hey, can you lay down? No? Can you sit? Back over here. Well, as you can see, she's just really focused on everything else that's going on around us, which is all right. Just stay tuned for the rest of this video to see Sunny's amazing transformation. And as always, thank you for choosing Bulletproof.
This is Jonah and Isaac. These are our girls, Sunny and Lucille. Our trainers were Kenzie and Jarrell. And we, first of all, had more than one person recommend coming to Bulletproof to begin with, and they said it would be life-changing, and I think that it might be based on how well the progress videos were and how well we saw them tonight. The ladies have a lot of energy, and so to see them like cooperate and have Kenzie and Jarrell like walk us through all the stuff so that we can be successful, I feel good about it. What about you guys?
I'm super happy that they're gonna be good puppies and not rotten.
They actually listen now.
Yeah. So yeah, we're really pleased. We can't wait to get them home to see how they do there, and hopefully we'll never have to see you again. But we know you're here if we need you.